Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about a site called PLR Database. Now, we're going to be going through and having a good look at this particular website and having a proper look at what's involved. Now, I'm going to be showing you some of the pros and cons, and we're also going to be having a look at some of the digital PLR products that they have. Okay, so before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at a place called PLR Database. Now, one of the things we're going to be looking at here is we're going to be having a look at the various features that they have. Now, I see that these guys have got some features that a lot of other places don't actually have, and that's pretty darn cool. For a start, they have an academy, which means that you can actually learn about PLR and all that sort of stuff through their academy. They have their marketplace, which has a plethora of different niches that you can choose from, and you can also have a good look at the various things they have. They also have a free area as well. Just give us 1 second. They also have free products as well that you can choose from, and as you can see here it says free products. You can click on that and you can have a look at some of the free products that they have. Now, another thing that's unique to these guys is they actually have their very own products that they create. Now, before we go any further, I just want to have a look at some of the pricing. Now, the pricing is really impressive, and that's the thing. One of the things that really got me interested in this particular site was the pricing, because the pricing kind of blew me away at how good it is. You click on that, you go down. It says here, okay, 0 for free, but you get unlimited free downloads. You can't obviously go for the paid ones, but you can do the free ones. You got full licenses, you got classes and lessons, and you can use their forum and profile. Now, they also have a $10 a month option. If you don't, say for example, don't want to pay the $49 a year, you can do unlimited downloads, full license, classes and forums profiles, exclusive products, platinum products, as well as platinum articles. And for $25 for 3 months, you can actually get everything from the previous one as well. But personally, I think the $49 a year surpasses all of that, and because it gives you everything from over here. And that's the thing I love about this. And you can also go into the marketplace and have a look at the various things that they have, and you can check it out through their menu. You can also do advanced searches, and we can also have a look at some of the other features. Now, you can also have a look at some of the other things that they have on offer, and you can go from there. As you can see, they have thousands of ebooks, articles, graphics, audios, videos, WordPress plugins, software, websites, and various packages. Now, one thing I do like about them, as I said, is they have their very own products. Now, I'm just going to quickly log in and we can get started having a look at the paid version. Okay, now here we are. I've just logged in. Now, what we'll have a quick look at here are some of the features that they have. Of course, you've got your marketplace, and this is absolutely chock full of things. Like, for example, you've got your affiliate marketing, you've got one on animals, business, children collection. You've also got computers, craft, hobbies, and you can scroll through yourself when you find it, when you log in yourself. And they have some free ones that you can download, and they also have ones that if you're paying for it, you can actually do that as well. Now, they do have their exclusive products. Now, to find where to find their exclusive products, you've got to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page where it says exclusive products or exclusive PLR. And you just right click on that and you can open it up in a new tab, but I've already got that opened up here. So I'm going to just click on that, and we will now have this one opened up in the exclusive product range. Now, as you'll see here, you've got everything here is PLR. So you'll have complete rights to be able to edit anything you have here. And all of these are exclusive to PLR Database. And that's one of the things I love about this site is they do have their own exclusive products that they sell. So you can have a look at this and you can choose whatever you like. And then you go down to the bottom. I think this has got a, how many did I choose this from? 144 items on just this page alone. So let's scroll down to the bottom and have a look. Yes, okay. So we're down to the last of the exclusive products. And they've been going since 2016 by the looks of this. And they've been uploading one every single month for, well, no, they missed the February on this one and a few months there. But as you can see, as they became more and more known on the internet, they started uploading on a monthly basis, or very close to a monthly basis. But as you go through, you'll notice that the monthly basis become far more frequent. Here we are, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. There we are. This is where it's uploading every single month now. And as you can see, because they're doing that, they have become quite a bit more popular on the internet. So they do upload new products every single month, and you'll get access to their exclusive offers and their exclusive products. And the best part about it is they are fully 100% PLR. Now, if you want this particular site and have a look at this site, there will be a link in the description down below. Now let's have a look at the Academy. We're going to have a quick look at the Academy just now, and we'll have a look at some of the various things that they teach. Now, I'm even going to be having a look at this and seeing if there's anything I can learn from any of this, because I don't know everything, and I'm sure there are things on here that I will learn and go, wow, I never thought of that. So you got create instant ebooks in 60 seconds. I know that which ones that one's speaking about. That's a particular software that they're talking about. I've already had a quick look at that one. You got building funnels. You got PLR products. What are PLR products? I've done a video on that, and I'll link that in the description above if you like. How to make money selling PLR on Facebook. Also 22 top money making ideas from PLR products. Selling digital products. Selling products on eBay. Knowing PLR. How to convert. Yeah, then you can go through and have a look at this yourself. And as you can see, it goes for about three pages long. And there's an awful lot to learn here. As I said, even I'm going to be looking through some of these and seeing if there's anything I can learn in here. I'm sure there's going to be something, and some things I probably will learn, and things I'll probably even create videos about. So yeah, be aware of that. Okay, and they also have their own forum. You can have a look at that, and you can join in with their community and have a look at some of the things that they're talking about. And you can go through their forum and just get to know some people on here. And you can also have a look at the various features. Now, as I said before, when you had a look at this, we had a look at the prices, and you can start off on the free one if you wish to, but that is quite limiting because you have only got a limited amount of free products, whereas you have copious amounts of paid products. So $49 a year isn't a huge amount of money, and you'll find that it will certainly be worth it. It's probably cheaper than most of the places I've seen, and that's probably one of the reasons why it's so popular. So this one is called PLR Database. So as I said, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now, to be perfectly honest, I do wish that they made it, that they had a link which was probably a little bit more prominent to be able to find their exclusive PLR. Because even though the link is right down the very bottom, it's there. But it would be nice if they actually had a link at the very top saying something like exclusive or something like that, or exclusive PLR, or somewhere in here on their main features. That would be really good. And of course you can leave messages and so forth, and you can have a look at your profile and various other things as well. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to at some point have a look at some of the PLR database products. and we're going to be doing a bit of review on some of their products. And then in the near future, we'll have a look at other PLR stores, and we'll have a look at some of their products and what they have to offer. So that's all there is for this particular video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this particular site. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.